Google is changing how it presents local results, and many dental clinics have not adjusted to what that means for patient visibility. Over the past few months, I have been reviewing how dental clinics appear in Google search across different cities in the US, and something about is changing. Google is no longer just showing a list of clinics, it's starting to interpret information and present answers directly to patients. For example, when someone searches best dentist for implant near me or emergency dentist open now, they are not always clicking multiple websites anymore. They are often making decisions based on what Google show up front. This shift is largely driven by AI, and it's changing how clinics get discovered, not dramatically overnight, but gradually and consistently. The challenge for many dental clinics is this: their online presence was built for a different version of Google. Example, website describe treatments in clinical language. Google business profile are incomplete or generic. Services are listed but not clearly explained. So when AI tries to interpret that information, it does not always fully understand or prioritize it. Meanwhile, nearby competitors, even with similar services, may be structured in a way that is easier for Google to interpret, and that leads to higher visibility, more clicks, more patient inquiries. What I have been working in a practice is relatively straightforward. First, clinics that clearly describe services in patient-friendly terms tend to appear more often in relevant searches, not just dental implants, but how patients actually think about the problem. Second, alignment across platforms matters. Your website, your Google business profile, and your reviews should all reinforces the same messages. When they don't, visibility becomes inconsistent. And third, clarity often outperforms complexity. Clinics don't need more content, they need content that is easier for both patient and Google to understand. The broader shift here is not just about ranking, it's about interpretation. Google is trying to understand what you do, who you help, and when to show you, which raises a practical question. Is your current online presence built for how Google used to work or how it's starting to work now?